princess.
I can give you money.
Picture frame.
No? I can give you money.
Sino?
Alex,
Really? How much? For the snack for the kids. Thank you. Sponsor. Thank you, Alex.
1K.
Oh, really? Thank you. Where?
Save the Gcash.
Thank you, Alex. You're so blessing.
Aray ko.
You're so blessed, Alex. You sent 1K for the kids. It's okay. Not for adults. It's for only kids.
Just a minute, wait. It's okay, we will wait.
Oh, you're so very kind, Alex. Thank you.
Bye. Parcel ka.
Huh?
Parcel ka.
Parcel?